Hey guys, I'm Sarika and welcome to your Knowledge Buddy. As you can see, I'm not shooting in my room and I'm outside because today I'm going to give my house tour. So this is a new house which we have bought recently. So in the UK, there are 4 types of properties. The first is called the detached house, which means both the walls are not attached with the neighbor. The second type is the semi-detached, where your one wall is attached with your neighbor. And that is the house which we are currently living in. And the third property is where terraced house, where you have both the walls attached with your neighbor. And the fourth type is the flat. So this is our recent house which I'm going to show you, but this is just a part 1 because there are still few bits which is still work in progress. So come with me. So this is a 6-bedroom house. On the ground floor we have 4 rooms. So this is the first room on the left. So this is a good size room where you have a space for the chimney, and all the rooms we have are underfloor heating, and then we got an attached bathroom. So this is going to be my father-in-law's room so that he can have his own private space. This bathroom is almost complete, 90% I think. We got a rain shower, which is one of my favorite here. I really love it. And then we got a beautiful big window here on the left. Now, let me take you to the second room, which is just opposite this room. So, can you guys guess what this room will be? So, Adi and I, we both have thought this is going to be our YouTube studio to do a setup, but we are going to think about it. And if you guys got any idea, you can let us know as well. Now, let me take you to the third room. So this is the third room, which is a small size room as compared to the first 2 rooms that you have seen. We may make this as an office room because at the moment we are currently working from home most of the time, and I think Adi is going to use this room. We have paints because they are still painting it and they are going to do another layer of coat before we move to this house. With a rising number of students planning their study abroad journey, it is inevitable that students are looking for student accommodation near their universities and also looking for a cheaper price. So allow me to introduce you to UniAcco, a global student accommodation platform. They are a global leader in the student accommodation industry with over 3 million beds and a presence in more than 10 countries. What I liked about them was their outstanding policies like no university, no pay, no deposit, together with its free of charge services, make it the #1 choice for students traveling overseas. They also have special incentives like cashbacks, Amazon vouchers, and more. They offer different types of room types like studios, en-suites, non-en-suites, twin studios, and more. These properties also include a gym, theatre, laundry, game room, garden, and so much more. If you and your friends wish to book your accommodation together, I did suggest you to proceed with group bookings and avail huge discounts. Don't forget to refer a friend to UniAcco and stand a chance to earn £100 for every booking made via your referral. Check out the links from my description below. Now, let me take you to the fourth room. This is another big size room. We got a big window here, and then the beautiful thing, we got an attached bathroom here as well. And this is going to be my mom and dad's room when they come here. So this bathroom is not 100% ready, but this is almost 50% ready, as you can see. And you see we have got black tiles here. And this is Adi's favorite. And I hope you guys are liking it. We kind of like this black color. And then we have given a touch with the wooden effect of the basin along with the door. I'm going to give a full demo when the house is ready. Now, this is going to be a big space here. We're going to use this space for the TV, and then we'll have our sofa and couch somewhere here. And the most outstanding thing in this house is we have got this lantern. I'm not sure if we can record this properly, but if you see around this and at the top so that we can get enough of sun rays. On the right here, this is going to be our dining space. We have a huge space here for the dining. So anything before the window can be used for the dining space. Now, let me take you to the other side. Now, from the place where you see this window, we are going to have a kitchen space from here. So this is going to be a massive kitchen, but again, don't think that I'm a good cook. I just need a bigger kitchen. And here we are going to have a big island, but again, it's difficult to imagine now. we will have our kitchen setup done maybe in a week's time, and I'm going to do a part 2 of this video. And in the UK, the kitchen just doesn't come like that once you place the order. It takes around 6 to 8 weeks. So we have already placed the order long time back, but it goes through different checks like compliance check, safety check. They come and do all your measurements. So it will be delivered on 3rd, and the guys will take like 2 to 3 days to install it completely. So wait for part 2, guys. Now, let me take you to the utility room. Again, this is all Adi's idea, not my idea. Here you can see we got a boiler, and then we got a big cylinder. So the whole supply of the water will come here, and the boiler will push the hot water. On all the floors here, like I mentioned, it's an underflow heating, and this is all the pipes out here. Now that's all about the ground floor. We have a massive area here. We don't know how to use it. If you guys got any idea, you can let us know. Now I got to show you something else as well. Now you have seen 4 beds in the ground floor. Now we have 2 more rooms, which is upstairs. But again, I cannot show you right away because there's a lot of work which is still happening. So when I do a part 2, I'm going to show you 2 more bedrooms there, and then I'm going to show you another bathroom as well. Then it will be a complete part 2 demo. Now let's go towards the garden. So here we have a big bifold door, which you can see is massive. So Adi is opening the bifold door here. As you can see now, Adi has opened both the bifolds on the left and the right, and you can see how massive this is. And it takes you straight to the garden. And see, we have a lot of junks, of course, because there's still a lot of work going on, and all this will be cleaned up once we move or before we move. Okay. Now, let me tell you guys, when we bought this house at around £450,000. However, we had extended this out. We have got extension of 8 meters. So from where you see the kitchen window, we have got that house extended from that place till here, which is around 8-meter extension, and which has roughly cost us 180K. And then you need to apply for extension in the council, which took us 2 to 3 months. So if you guys want to know how to get extension, how to save money, how to buy a house, so this is our second house in the last 6 years. So if you want any savings tips as well, you can let me know in the comment section. And also we are planning to do a little Griff Pravesh, which is housewarming party in the coming days. If at all you want me to make that video as well, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you like this house, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Till then, keep your extension.